Lecture number 15. Very important. Often the two questions are expected in the exam alternate, like the method of preparation of K2Cr2O7 one year. The next year you may have the method of preparation of KMnO4. Now we start with the method of preparation of K2Cr2O7. राइट हैंड साइड में देखो मैंने लिखा है शॉर्टकट में. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हाउ टू रिमेंबर द मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन. What are we interested to prepare? We are interested to prepare K2Cr2O7. Okay, that is the end product. Now it is prepared from its ore. नाम क्या है ore का? It is FeOCr2O3. FeOCr2O3. What is it called? It is called as the chromite ore, chrome iron ore, conversion of chromite ore. Okay, chromite ore, उसका नाम है chromite ore. The first step, see, हमारे पास वो ore है and that ore has to be converted to K2Cr2O7. तो first step में what we do is FeOCr2O3 is converted to Fe2O3Cr2O3. Then it is reacted with Na2CO3. So it is converted to Na2CrO4. Then it is reacted with sulfuric acid to convert it into Na2Cr2O7. And बाद में Na has to be just replaced by K, so that is reacted with KCl, and then we get K2Cr2O7. That is the overall method of preparation, so as how to prepare K2Cr2O7. Very important question, I repeat. So we start with the very first step. The ore we have taken, it is the chromite ore, FeOCr2O3. Okay, it is also called as the chrome iron ore. The very first step is you have to concentrate the ore. The powdered chromite ore, it is concentrated by washing with the current of water. It is called as a hydraulic classifier. Hydraulic classifier में क्या होता है? See, we pass water through it, right? And the lighter gangue particles, they are carried away with water. जो impurities है, they would be carried away by water. जो heavier chromite ore है, that will settle down, and so it is separated. So the very first step is the concentration of the ore. Okay, after the ore is concentrated, the next step, like step number 2, it is roasting. What is roasting? मतलब क्या? It is burnt in air. Roasting मतलब it is burnt in air. So what happens? ये जो concentrated ore है, that is mixed with soda ash. What is soda ash? It is Na2CO3 and limestone, that is CaO. It is burnt with ash and so it is roasted in the excess of air. Roasting मतलब it is burnt in the excess of air in the reverberatory furnace. अभी you have done this in metallurgy. You know what is a reverberatory furnace. Okay, so see, we will concentrate on the reactions first. So what is the step number 2? We have the ore. What is the name of the ore? It is chromite ore. What is the formula of it? It is FeOCr2O3. It is burnt in air. See, just remember the conversion. Balance बाद में करने का है, आपको ये रट्टा नहीं मारने का है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली आएगा. So it is FeOCr2O3. What you need to remember, FeOCr2O3 is converted to Fe2O3Cr2O3. ये आपको याद रखने का है. FeOCr2O3 converted to Fe2O3Cr2O3. Okay. Then you balance the equation. I hope balancing the equation would not be a problem here. Next step में वो जो Cr2O3 है, that is reacted with Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, again in the presence of air. So what do I get? It is converted to Na2CrO4 plus CO2. ये reaction you need to remember. What you need to remember is Cr2O3, it is reacted with Na2CO3 plus O2 gives Na2CrO4 plus CO2. This you need to remember. Next, balance the equation. Listen carefully to what I say. After balancing the equation, you have Cr2O3 यहाँ पे कितना है? 2 है, बराबर. सेकेंड स्टेप में, फर्स्ट स्टेप में राइट हैंड साइड में Cr2O3 कितना है? It is 4. Hence we multiply this equation, entire equation by 2. I have written there. Multiply the equation by 2. Why do we multiply the equation by 2? Have you understood? So if I multiply by 2, I will be getting Cr2O3 वो 4 हो जाएगा, and then I can cancel that because they are present on the opposite side. So that's all we have done. We multiply the equation by 2, entire equation by 2 multiply किया हमने, फिर बाद में वो Cr2O3 cancel किया because they are present on the opposite side, and then we have written the net equation. This is how we get the first equation. ये रट्टा मारने का जरूरत नहीं है, we get it automatically. Okay, what you need to remember, it is a yellow colored mass because of the formation of Na2CrO4. It is yellow in color. Okay, and next the roasted mass, it is extracted with water. Then sodium chromate जो है, it will go in the solution. Insoluble substance जो है, it will be separated by filtration. If you want to score out of marks, you need to remember every minute step of this. Okay, so what we have got here in the next step, Na2CrO4, Na2CrO4, compare it on the right hand side. Next, now what are we supposed to do? Now we reacted with sulfuric acid. Step 3 is what? Conversion of sodium chromate to sodium dichromate. For this what we do is we reacted with sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid से क्या होता है? Na2CrO4 is converted to Na2Cr2O7, Na2SO4 and H2O. On concentration less soluble, sodium sulfate जो है वो waste है, so it is less soluble, so it will crystallize out. Na2SO4 का you know water of crystallization is 10, so it is associated with 10 water molecules, so that is filtered, that is crystallized out. Crystallize होने के बाद what will we do? We will filter it and will concentrate the solution of sodium dichromate. We'll get it, sodium dichromate solution. So in this step we have converted, we have got Na2CR2O7, ये हमको मिला है. अभी हमको Na की जगह पे K चाहिए. So now that step would be very simple. So what are we supposed to do? So that step number 4 is what? Conversion of sodium dichromate to potassium dichromate. So the concentrated solution of sodium dichromate, it is treated with KCl. It is an example of double decomposition reaction. Reaction आपको आएगा, बैलेंस करने को भी इजी है. The solution is concentrated, hot solution cool किया, less soluble जो है, each and every part again is important. Less soluble कौन है? It is potassium dichromate. It is orange red crystals मिलेंगे. It will separate out, and sodium chloride जो है that will remain in the solution. And potassium dichromate is filtered and it is purified by recrystallization. So you need to write till the end of it. Okay, I have given you the like convergence की conversion कैसे होता है, right hand side पे नीचे लिखा है shortcuts. That is for you to understand. Understand it first and then write the reactions. Okay, and after this we go to the chemical properties of potassium dichromate. Any reaction may be expected in the exam. So in the next lecture we proceed with the properties of potassium dichromate.